In this session, we are going to look at the team inbox and how to use the team inbox. So the team inbox is present here in the option called as messages. So when you click on messages, you will be able to see the messages from all the channels that you have deployed your bot in. So if your bot has been deployed on WhatsApp, the logo for WhatsApp will appear below the message indicating that this message is from WhatsApp. And if it is from another channel, for example, we can filter it out over here. So we can filter it out channel wise. So if it's from website, we have to click on website and click on apply. So all the messages that have come through website will be present over here with the logo of a website, of a TV like option, which indicates it's from a website. Then we can filter out the other channels as well. So if it's from Telegram, we can choose on apply. And these are the conversations that have happened by our Telegram. So all of this we can find out using this one inbox. So if we have, created our bot and then we have deployed it on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Telegram, Line, website, and so on, all of those messages will appear in this particular inbox. So that is why team inbox is used. The next one is unassigned and active, is where a live agent comes in and he starts a conversation and he enters a conversation. So when he has entered a conversation, it will appear in active, saying the live agent has entered the conversation. As you can see here, Wacto joined the conversation. So similarly, the live agent will have a name. So his name will be given there, and his name will appear over here when he enters a conversation. So if a client wants to connect to a live agent and it has not been assigned to a live agent by the account holder, it will appear in unassigned. So that is why this is used. And new are the new chats that have come up, and whatever the live agent has replied to, all of that will be present here. So those are the newly come in messages. So the live agent has already contacted them and completed the chat. So all of those will be appeared here. Okay, so if you are going to start a new conversation with a person by entering their phone number, what you need to do is you have to click on this plus sign over here on the top. So when you click on that, you have to choose our country's code. So 91 is our country code. And if you're going to choose, if you're going to enter the name, I mean the number of the person you want to send a private message to, so you have to enter their number over here. So this is my number, and the number is already appeared over here. So I will click on continue, and what will happen? My number will appear over here and my chat will appear over here. So one thing that all of WhatsApp API users need to keep in mind is you can only send template messages with the start new conversation option, because Meta only approves template messages that can be sent via a portal. So when you click on send template message, I can choose any template over here. So if I'm going to choose this template, I will be again browsing the templates picture, and I will click on send. So that will be sent over here. So that is how this will be sent. So this is how you can have a private conversation with someone if you have to send their medical reports privately to them, or if you have to send any other template message to only certain people that you have a list of. You can use this option, which is start new conversation, enter their phone number, enter their name, optional, which is up to the client, and enter their name and then click on continue. So their name will appear over here along with the chat. So you can send a template message over here automatically. So this is how you use your team inbox.